Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about the Mozzie Stoppa Advanced. On your rainwater tank, you're going to have a Mozzie Stoppa, and that's used to stop pests getting up through the overflow pipe into your tank. So I'll take this pipe out to show you. So normally what will be the case is you'll have a mesh screen here, and that's really important because you don't want pests getting inside there. The nice thing about this Mozzie Stoppa Advanced is it's got this handle. So it means that you can take this out and actually clean it occasionally. Because what you'll find from time to time, there might be a biofilm that might build up on the screen, or there might even be bits of floating debris which might get in through your tank inlet. And what they will do, because water's flowing out of here during a rainfall event, if your tank's full, sometimes they'll end up sticking on this mesh. So lots of Mozzie Stoppas, you might not be able to take them out if they've been perhaps glued in by accident or they've just become jammed. But the nice thing about this model is, because it's got that handle, even though your whole system's all glued up like this, like it should be, you can still take that handle out and clean it occasionally. Super easy. We recommend you do it maybe every few months or just whenever you notice that there's an issue, but every few months should be more than acceptable. So that's all there is to the Mozzie Stoppa Advanced. Best solution for the overflow, and you can find out a bit more on the website. Cheers.